Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to downgrade iOS on any iPhone device, either it is assigned or unsigned. Deliberately or mistakenly, you have updated with the latest beta version. Now you would like to roll backs. What's the easiest way and how can I roll back iOS on any your iPhone device? We will see live step by step. So don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be very crucial, guys. Here. So firstly, let's check it out by tapping on a setting manually and tap on a space line general. General to, of course, we will have to click on it here. See software update and tap on it. So it has just started to check it out. We will check it out also that is your iPhone the manually or automatically is recommending to a downgrade, and if it is not permitted, then what's the best? New text and how to exactly use it to roll back iOS, either it is assigned or unsigned. Both we will see, guys. Here. So now see, it's essential that especially 26.5 iOS is up to date. So we don't have any permissions by automatically on your iPhones, on this iPhone, so that we can see there is no permission. So can I have to the rollback, guys? Yes, this can be possible by using a 3U tool. Just to go for open it, connect your data cable, and upon of course we will click on a smart flash. A smart flash to, of course, we will come to firmware, and the firmware here we will select the model number, and of course we can go for here. Suppose here this is 16 Pro Max. So now what we will do here, see latest from CSP Slime in 26.5 to, of course, so that we can reach a 26.5, and this is a 26.4, that is a green sign, means of course we can sign the jailbreaks, that is a 26.4. If out of them anyone's there is a bug viruses, then of course you can come with the downgraded that is a yes, these are also 26.4. These all are assigned versions, but except these all are here, see, unsigned versions. So that we can pick out of them, and also that we can install this on this iPhone. How it's so? Let's see. Signed version, simple funda, guys. Here, suppose here, let me have this iOS here. Click on a SP Slam, the refresh to Easy Flash, and the Easy Flash, and there is a recommendations and that out of them, so then once especially you can come with the especially RC version, also latest one, that is 26.5, and the latest one RC version, so 26.4.2 there is also option. So directly we can download, and of course if we want, then if we had a downloaded from any other websites, and then of course we can import it. Here's the two options that if you would like to clean up all the data and wiped out completely, permanently, then we will come the quick flash mode. Otherwise, of course, we'll have to come the retain user data. So selection of the retain user data, and then after this ones, especially if you had it downloaded or imported, then directly we will go for here this ones. But let's say especially we would like to see that unsigned iOS, we would like to come with the unsigned iOS. So simply we will come the firmware to, of course, we will come in here unsigned. So 18.6 we would like to come with this. So we will start to download, guys, here. So see, it has started to download. But total size is especially of course 9 GB, so it's a little bit taking 10 minutes. We will see, wait, and on the other hand, let's see especially one unsigned iOS, how would I especially execute this. So first of all, guys, we will have to come the stop this update options. So if we hit these ones, then this would be sent to here this file. So the files would we have the send it. Now what we will do, guys, here just we will come with now here on a easy flash. So of course we will have to come on a especially import. So take any special without verifications, of course, and without any restriction, that we can install now any iOS. So how it is, just we will select on the custom to see that we had downloaded some firmware for by passing of the cloud activation, of course. So we will select the out of anyone. So suppose here 16.7 points is FSLM the 15 this iOS. Let's see, easily we can jailbreak off also. So now that we had imported, without making delay with the retaining data, we would like to the combine, but we would like to combine the especially anti-recovery flash on this one especially, so that data won't be completely wiped out of this device, and this device will be lightly on the basis of basically of the this iOS firmware are coming. So just now after selection these ones without making delay, of course we will hear this one. So it's essential that yes, and there should be a good connections with your data cable and iPhone PC, and this firmware would be especially from especially I mean see 26.5 to downgraded 26 point sorry I'm the 16.7.15. So if we hit in the ones and don't select the fixed battery during the health, and if we hit, then yes, this would be especially downgraded from the 26.5 to 20. I'm 16.7 points, and then easily we can jailbreak, bypass anything. So we would like to, yes, we can remove some without Apple, especially the password Apple ID in the sector this thing. So according to our desire, if we need it, then of course we can downgrade of that without losing in data. If we want, then of course we will select the retain user data, this option, and then we'll go for similar strategy. But right now, guys, of course, we would like to come with this especially as not especially 16.7.5, and just waiting for especially 18.6 hours. So let it complete download, then we will go for here this one. So the video would be a lengthy, guys. So this is all about by a similar strategy. You will have to go for executions, and of course, you will get a good correlers in there. And while you're doing these things, we will have to select this close iTunes. Why I'm saying, oh, suppose here I had open this one iTunes, and maybe in a midst of it, it will interrupt you again and again. Suppose this has open. Now, if we come on a special M302 line, if we select, then see automatically this will completely close. So without closing, especially iTunes, it has been completed here. It will not interrupt again and again in the midst of that. So there will be no chances to have any errors, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorials, and after downloading, then we will complete in the whole procedure. So you will have to execute the similar strategy. So hi, this is Technology Belfand. Would you back with a step-by-step new tutorial. So don't forget to the join and like, subscribe, and share of this channel. Share this content also so because anyone who is unprivileged, then they can be a privilege of this information, and they can be a beneficiary if they have the having especially this kind of the challenge. Thank you very much, and have a great time, guys. Bye bye.